There have been also attempts from outside. I can now say it here, that the president from Tanzania came here 2 weeks ago at the invitation of President Ruto to mediate, and she was kept waiting. We were available, but the other side was not available. She spent 2 nights here, and it was all in vain. Other people have tried, but he's the one who's resisting. So he basically knows what he wants. I myself have said I'm ready to sit with other people. He is actually pretending, is living in delusion that we don't have a crisis. But we have a serious crisis that requires patriotism to resolve, and we are ready ourselves.